Good day again, learners. Good morning. So today we're going to determine the standard equation of a circle. The standard equation of a circle is written in the form of x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared if the center is 0, 0 or located at the point of origin. Okay. The next one, the quantity x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared is the standard equation of a circle in a vertex form wherein the center of the circle is located at the quadrants on the axis and on an axis. So for the center, so we have C is in the form of h and k. So that is how we determine the center of the circle. Let's have an example. C is 0, 0, which is the center, and r is equal to 4. So we're going to write this in the standard equation of a circle. So we have the standard equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Okay, since the center is 0, 0, so x minus 0 is still x squared. So we're going to simply change the r, which is 4. So 4 is square. The result there is x squared plus y squared is equal to 16. So we need to simplify our r squared to get 16. 4 squared is equal to 16. Next, if the center is 3, 2 and the radius is 3, so we're going to use the vertex form of the circle, which is x minus h, the quantity square, plus y minus k square is equal to r square. So simply change the values of our hk. So since h is our 3 and then k is equal to 2. So therefore, the equation is x minus 3, the quantity square, plus y minus 2, the quantity square, is equal to 3 squared, since the value of our r is equal to 3. So again, next, you need to simplify our radius. That will become equal to 9. So that is how we write center and radius into a standard equation. Another example, if the center is negative 3, negative 2, and the radius is equal to 4. So we're going to use again the vertex form, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Okay, so the value of our h is negative 3 and the value of our k is negative 2. So we need to replace the value of our h, which is negative 3, and then our k, which is negative 2, and our r is equal to 4. Replace them. Next, simplify. So negative times negative, that will become positive, so x plus 3 squared. The same with negative times negative in the y variable, that is positive. 4 squared is equal to 16. So that is how we write center and radius into a standard equation of a circle. Another, if we have in a general form, so it is written in a general form, it is equated into 0. General form. So when we say general form, it is equated into 0. Okay. So what are we going to do? Okay, so combine, which has a similar variable, which is x squared plus 6x, and then y squared plus 4y. is equal to 14. So we transpose already negative 14 to the right side of the equation, which is 14. Then next, completing the trinomial. So how we're going to complete the trinomial? Again, 6x divided by 2. Only the second term is divided into 2. And then after that, we have to square. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Square 3, the result is 9. Next, the same with the second term of the y variable, you have to divide it by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Square 2, the result is 4. And then 14 is the constant number in the given general formula. And then 9 was added into the x variable, and 4 is also added to the y variable. Then combine 14 plus 9 plus 4 is 27. Next, x squared plus 6x plus 9, so factor it. So we have x plus 3 squared. And then y squared plus 4y plus 4, factor the trinomial. So the result is y plus 2, the quantity square, is equal to 27. So our 27 is already our r square. Okay. So this is our r square, that is 27. To determine what is the center, so the center of this equation is negative 3 and negative 2. And the radius is, what is the radius? Since factor of 27 is 9 and 3, since 9 is a perfect square, so therefore 3 is square root of 3. So that is how we get for the standard equation of a circle. In determining the standard equation of a circle, general form, and using the vertex form of the circle. So I hope you learned something in determining the equation of the circle. So thank you and goodbye.